Hello there. Welcome back to Shona Land. Today we'll be taking you through letter T and combining it with the Shona vowels. As a recap, we did explain that the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are the main pillar which determine how you pronounce all Shona words, or most of them at least. And this is how you pronounce the Shona vowels. We've got A, E, I, O, U. Alright? Okay. So, combining letter T with the Shona vowels, this is how you pronounce it. So, when you combine letter T with the vowel A, it's ta, ta, ta. When you combine letter T with the vowel E, it's te, te, te. And when you combine it with I, it's T, T, T. When you combine it with O, it's to, to, to. When you combine it with U, it's tu, tu, tu. Okay? Now giving you sample Shona words that starts with this combination, it's for ta, we've got tarisa, tarisa, tarisa. That's look in English. Tarisa. For te, we've got tera, tera, tera. That's follow in English. Tera. For T, we've got teaser, teaser, teaser. That's run away. Teaser. For to, we've got tora, tora, tora. That's take. Tora. For tu, we've got tumbwa, tumbwa, tumbwa. That's like small dogs. Tumbwa. So ta, tarisa, te, tera, ti, teaser, to, tora, tu, tumbwa. And this brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video where I'll be describing, or where we'll be talking about the letter V and combining it with the Shona vowels. See you on the next vid. Ndatenda.